If you want to set fixed salaries in WebWork, you can do that by going down to Finances, then go to Manage Payroll. Then you can go to the member you want to set a fixed salary for. So for example, I'll put it for myself. From here, I can go ahead and change the payroll type to fixed salary. Over here, you'll be able to select the frequency of the salary. So for example, daily, weekly, or monthly. I'll just set it to monthly, as well as the salary amount. So I'll just leave it as 1,000. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click Save. Another way you can set a fixed salary is by going down to People, then going to Members. After that, you should go to your member you want to change the payroll for. So for example, I'll find myself here. You can click on the member, then from here you can go to Finance, and then here you can change the payroll type. Right now it's set to Timesheet Approval. I'll change it to Fixed Salary. And as you can see, I can select the salary frequency as well as the salary amount. Once I'm done, I'll go ahead and click Save Changes. If you want to create automatic invoices for fixed salaries, you can do that by going to the Settings, then go down to Finance. So let's say you put the salary frequency as monthly. What this will do is whenever the month comes to an end, an invoice will be automatically created. Once that invoice is created, you can go ahead and pay it.